Today we have a broken Pokemon Red. It is the Japanese version, and I probably decided to clickbait you in the thumbnail with the American version because it looks cooler. But I all I know is it's not working, and I was sent this, and so let's try and fix it. Oh, that's not it's a Game Boy Pocket here. Okay, that's it. Cool. Those pins don't look good. So let's take this screw out, take a look at the board, and honestly, it just looks like the pins need to be. Oh, well, there's some corrosion on the pins. Look at all of that dinginess. It really just looks like it needs to be cleaned, but there is like a mark on this pin over here that may be a chunk that's taken out. We'll see. Let's just do a little bit of this. This is a fiberglass pen, and it works magic. There are like all sorts of ways that you can clean pins like this. Most people, I recommend you just get a Q-tip, put some alcohol on it, and then wipe it across. You don't even have to take it apart to do that. But for more intense jobs, something like a fiberglass pen can be helpful. And there's still like some chunks that are just look like corrosion has fully eaten it away kind of thing. We can also take this tougher brush here, see if it actually scrapes any of that off. It does look like it's actually coming off a little bit. It's kind of hard to tell just in like the basic top down, but when I'm looking at it from an angle, it looks better for sure. Otherwise, like the board itself looks great. So nothing too crazy here. I will take some alcohol and a paper towel, wipe down all of that mess. Maybe the alcohol will get some more of this stuff off. Either way, these pins have seen better days for sure. So there's probably more that can be done, but I just want to see. We don't even have to put the rest of the shell together for this. Also zoom out a bit. Don't need to be that close just to test it. And there we go. Sometimes it's literally just that simple. I'm assuming that the save is toast because it's an old battery. Yeah, no save on here. At least I don't think so. Yeah, just going straight to oak. But we could still clean this up a little bit better here. So I'm going to spray everything. Take my toothbrush. I'll even spray the toothbrush. Get in here. Get rid of some of that dirt or extra corrosion that's just hanging around. Just hanging around. But I think eventually this this cartridge will probably be a goner just because there's corrosion going on down here and it's probably seeping through to the pins eventually, at least. I don't think there's anything I can actually do about that other than getting a new cartridge to put all of these chips onto. And for something that's had so many copies made, it just doesn't seem that worth it to me. So wipe it down a little bit more here. That seems to be as good as it's gonna get. I want to see if maybe my paper towel can get some more of the dirt that's on the shell. Not really. Maybe on the edges a little bit better. Yeah, some of it's coming off. Not all of it though. Okay, well, the last thing I will do is I will replace the battery here. And I really only have a few batteries left. I've got 4 batteries and 6 battery containers, holders left. 7. This will work for pretty much any Game Boy game. Like you can do these exact steps. This is not specific to Pokemon or Pokemon Red or any of this. You can even apply these things to any other cartridge based game. So a lot of the times you just need to give it a good clean and your cartridge game will work just fine. And I'm going to go ahead and heat this end up and trying to lift the battery tab, but there we go. Was not wanting to come up there. And then we can heat the other side, and that one came up a lot easier. Now, a lot of people are like, you gotta remove all of the old solder and all blah, blah, blah. I don't think you need to actually remove like the old solder fully, but I will do it here. Why not? I mean, yeah, it's not gonna hurt anything if you do that. I'm just gonna add a little bit of flux. Whew. And then believe this side is negative. I always tend to forget. Yeah, this side is the negative side. So we can put our soldering iron down and then push some solder in there, and none of it stuck to the pin or the pad. Nice. There we go. That works. And we can try the same thing here. A little bit more solder. I'm going to reflow the other side real quick because that was not my best work. Put a little flux down, and that should be good there. Boom. And I'll clean off my iron, set it down, pop out a battery. Bam. And we'll put this textured side down because this is negative. This side's positive. So we go in like this. Boom. Now we have a brand new save battery and something that will be easier to replace in the future by whoever gets to own this cartridge, assuming that the actual PCB lasts or outlasts the battery. It is working once again. I'm going to remove. Okay, apparently that was just a piece of tape. And I honestly don't really care to remove all the other stuff. So I'm going to leave it just like this. Maybe clean it up a little bit on the front. And some of these dirt spots don't want to come off. That's all right. And that's as much as I care to clean it. Boom. Pokemon Red. We'll put it in one more time. Bing, bang, boom. We got Pokemon Red. There's a slight delay there, and I got a little worried. But it's not going to bring the old save back now that there's a battery in there, but we can save. I'm just not going to go through all of that to get to a point where we can save to test it. I don't care that much. But if you want a copy of Pokemon Red, this very copy, I'm just going to probably throw this in the next random order that I get for a Game Boy Color. No, specifically because I don't sell very many pockets. The next Game Boy Pocket that I sell, this will be included. Free of charge, all yours. So if you want a Game Boy Pocket, go buy one from me, retroremaster.com. Next person to order a Game Boy Pocket will get this game. There you go. Beware, you can't change the language. It's in Japanese and it's going to stay that way. All right, bye.